So this is my motorized bike. I built it from a kit. This is the 66cc black kit. I got it for $118 or $180 from a guy here in California. It's got the upgraded NKG spark plug, NGK, sorry. My friend tried to torque down the one of the head bolts or the cylinder bolts and stripped it out, so I got all new American hardware that just have a head, just like a bolt to put in there. Let's see what else. So the back sprocket fits on. This is the Wal-Mart Thruster Fixie bike. It's like 90 bucks, brand new. And how we mounted it is on this side it has a fixie gear, just like the freewheel here, but on this side it's a fixie, and we mounted the sprocket right onto it using the hardware that came for the rag clamp, but we never even installed the rag clamp because it had this perfect thing to set it on. As you can see, it is really, really close to both the top of the back fork and the bottom of the back fork. Both of them are close to rubbing, and they did rub before I moved this piece of crap chain tensioner over, and it's now rubbing on the chain tensioner. So I'm going to replace this with one that I make. I already have a little sprocket to fit on to a bracket I'm going to weld for that. What else did we do here? I got this headlight. It's a super cool like $25 headlight, 3,500 lumens or something crazy, off Amazon. It's crazy bright. The brakes on this thing are crap. They're wearing down. I bought this off Amazon, so it has the two double brakes, so when you pull that, it brakes both the front and the back brakes, which is cool. I got some new handlebars because the ones that came with it are crap. I got this cruiser seat to put on it from one of my friend's old cruiser bikes. It's nice because it has the springs, and since this bike has no suspension forks or anything, having that seat really helps with the rattling and stuff. What else? Oh, I got some upgraded hardware here, but they weren't long enough, so they kind of stripped out the hole in here, so I need to like cut off the head of the hex or the Allen wrench head bolt and put it back in there. Hopefully there'll be enough thread left to let it to have that work. Here's the battery. This is a battery pack for the headlight. I'm gonna try to get my friend who does electronics to wire up this infamous white wire, as they call it, to trickle charge this battery pack. I haven't really thought about that too much, but that's, I guess, one of the next steps. So then I'm fabricated this back seat from just steel that I bought from the sorry, my chickens are making noise, that I bought from like a steel shop. I just welded it onto the, you can see I welded it onto the back here. I'm getting splatter from my welder, so you can see I don't even really want to focus on these welds, but I welded that all together, and it just bolts, the seat cushion just bolts right on like that, as you can see, and then it comes down to the back down here where it welds onto the onto the back fork. These are like handlebar grips that we decided to, I keep saying we, that I decided to attach on there. And then this seat cushion, we just got this fabric from like the fabric store, and then put some of this memory foam underneath it. It's just this, like, I guess that's like 3-inch memory foam, and then stapled it underneath. Besides that, you know, it's a pretty stock engine, pretty stock everything. I'm going to be upgrading the chain tensioner and maybe getting a boost bottle. Kind of depends. For right now it runs fine, you know. It even runs alright with like 2 people on it. It's a bit boggy, obviously. I don't know, everyone seems to love it. I've gotten requests for people to trade their crappy cars for it and give me $600 for it, so I'll probably sell it and build another one. But I guess I'll get it running and try to film that. Yeah, but that's that. I'm still adjusting idle and stuff, you know. Yep, that's that.